I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to learn how to do a simple sales funnel with or without a membership area inside of Canvas. So what does this simple sales funnel do? This funnel is designed to allow you to collect emails so you can start email marketing to your list, meaning you can send them offers through your email to them. It's also to offer a product to the customer that they can purchase after they register for your email list. It's a really short and simple funnel. So how can this simple funnel be used for each of the niches? So for coaches and consultants, affiliate marketers, sales, offline business, and business to business, all of these niches can use this funnel to first collect an email so you can build an email marketing list, and then second, to sell a single product inside your funnel. So a simple sales funnel starts really simply. It's just a regular old opt-in page is the first page that you're going to hit. It's going to have an opt-in form. Once they opt in for your email list, then it's going to go straight into the sales and you can start selling your product. So how do we create this simple sales funnel? Well, the first thing we do is jump into Canvas, and then you're going to click Add Funnel. And then a pop-up appears and you're going to put your funnel title in there and your funnel description, and then you're going to click Next. And then you're going to choose out of the funnel templates which one you want, which is the sales funnel. So you just click on Sales Funnel and then click Create. So now let's take a look at how to build a simple sales funnel without a membership area. I'm in the Canvas dashboard and I've got the simple sale funnel open and ready to go. Now let's walk all the way through the funnel to see what your customer is going to see when they go through the funnel. The first page they hit is the opt-in page. This is the page where they're going to fill out the form to be able to sign up for your email list. It also has a split test. That means that there's two opt-in pages and the user may see the first one or the second one, but they won't see both. And when they finish filling out the form, they'll go to the email confirmation page. Once they fill out the form and go to the email confirmation page, they'll get instructions from that page on how to check their email and click Confirm. Once they click Confirm, they'll go to the sales page. The sales page is where you're going to put your product for sale and you're going to have a checkout on it. When the customer goes through the checkout process and purchases your item, they're going to be sent to the thank you page where they'll get instructions on how to access the product that they just bought. So that's everything that the customer will see. Now let's talk about how we can configure this to make sure it's ready for creating the website. So the first step is the opt-in form, and we're going to talk about the split test and how to configure that. So we need to make sure that the split test has a target page to go to. So after the person fills out the opt-in form, it goes to that target page. And it needs to be the same page as the opt-in form version 1. So we need to configure the target page. So on the opt-in page, I'm going to click the triple dots. And right here, we've got the target page of test. If I click that, it's going to give me a choice of any of the pages in this funnel. So I'm going to click the down arrow and I'm going to choose email confirmation page, because that's where we want them to go after they click submit on their opt-in form. So now my split test page is set and ready to go. The next thing I'm going to edit is the form. I'm going to right click that and I'm going to go to edit element. On this page, you want to make sure that you're selecting the service, which is Mailing Boss. You're going to select your list. If you don't have a list already, you can click the purple button and create a list. We've already got the pending subscribe page set, and we've got the subscription confirm page set. Now that I've got a Mailing Boss list selected, I'm going to go ahead and right click the form again. And here I can go to Mailing Boss and configure my campaigns and my email sequence that will be sent out to my list after they sign up. The next step is the checkout for your product. I'm going to right click that and go to edit element. I'm going to make sure I have a title, a price, and we've already configured the success page. So this is ready to go. Now we've got everything finished and we're ready to create the website. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Save and then OK. And then I'm going to click Create Website. Then I'm going to come up with the website name and then I'm going to click Create. And in the background, this is creating the website for me and all the connections that I made. And I have a success pop-up box. I've got two choices. I can either click OK and go back to Canvas, or I can click Access the Website, and that will put me into the Pixel Perfect Builder, and it will allow me to start editing my site for design and content. Now let's take a look at how to build a simple sales funnel with a membership area. I'm in the Canvas dashboard, and I'm looking at the blueprint for the simple sales funnel with a membership area. So let's first go through the blueprint and see how the customer would see the entire funnel. So the first page they're going to land on is the opt-in page, and that opt-in page also has a split test on it. That means there's actually two opt-in pages, and the website visitor will see only one of them. And you can use the analytics from this to decide which opt-in page is better to perform in getting them to fill out the form. So when they hit either opt-in page, they're going to get a form, and they'll need to fill it out with their name and their email address. And when they hit submit, they'll go straight to the email confirmation page. From there, they'll get instructions to go check their email and click the confirm for confirming in the subscriber list. Once they click confirm, they'll be sent to the sales page. On the sales page, you're going to sell your offer, your product, your service right on this page. If they buy it, they'll go through the checkout process. And when they finish buying, they'll go to the thank you page. And from the thank you page, they'll be sent to the membership area. Now, the membership area, it's really important to remember that the visitor, when they go through the checkout process, that checkout, once they finish, is going to release the membership area so they can access it. The only way they can access it is if they go through the checkout process, and then they'll be able to access that membership area. So that's how the visitor will go completely through the funnel. Now let's talk about the things we can do to make sure it's configured to be able to create the website. So the first thing I need to do is go to this split test right here and make sure the target page is correct. Now with the opt-in form, the target page is actually the email confirmation. We want to make sure they get to that page and they're reminded to confirm their email. If they end up getting the split test page, we want them to go to the same page, the email confirmation page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click these triple dots on the opt-in form. And for the test page, which is the split test, I'm going to click target page of the test. That's the target page of the split test page. So we're going to click this. And remember that I need them to go to the same page that the first opt-in page is going to. And that is going to confirm email. So the split test should be going to the same page, which is confirm email. So that part is configured for us. The next thing I'm going to do is configure the opt-in form. So I'm going to right click that and I'm going to go to edit element. And here I should always make sure that the service is Mailing Boss. Then I get to choose my list. If you don't have a list, you haven't made it yet, you can click create a list and create it on the fly inside of Canvas. The pending subscribe is filled out. The subscription confirm is completed. So this page is actually ready. You can also right click the form and go to view Mailing Boss campaigns. And if you click that, it will take you into Mailing Boss where you can configure your email sequence that you're going to send out to your opt-in list to your subscribers. The next item that I'm going to configure is the checkout for the offer. I'm going to right click that and I'm going to go to edit element. And here you can see that we have to put a title, a price. The success page is completed. So if they go through the entire checkout process, they'll end up on the thank you page. And I want you to also notice that the membership area is checkmarked. So what this means is when they go through the entire checkout process and they complete their purchase, they will be able to access the membership area because that checkout releases the membership area. They'll have a username and a password that they'll be able to use to get in. So that configures all the areas of the blueprint. The next step is to get it ready to create the website. So the first thing I'm going to do is click save and save all the changes that I made. And now I'm going to go ahead and click create the website. And I have to come up with a name. Once I have the name, I can click create. And it's in the background creating this website and all the connections that we've made. And now we get a success message. And we have two choices. We can either choose OK and we'll go back to Canvas, or we can choose access the site and that will take us straight to the pixel perfect and inside the editor for this website. The next thing you'll need to work on is content and design for your website. That's how you use Canvas to build a simple sales funnel with or without a membership area in Builderall.